sign just in case. Start on the thumb. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy?
Yeah, much
Good.
easier.
Yeah, there it is. So you hold on to that one. Now we're going to have a race. If you beat me, you get this beautiful ring. If you don't beat me, you don't get that. I get that.
Tough.
She's going to be very upset either way. Okay. Because I like you, I'm going to do it with only one hand. That's the sort of man I am. And it was like 4 national awards. This sort of man. Alright, one hand. Alright, are you ready? I'll say your mask is set down. Your mask is set. Go.
Pretty unfortunate. That was pretty unfortunate.
Don't worry about that. All right. To make it more interesting for you, I'm going to put this one through the middle of the ring. And this one also through the middle of the ring. And then one behind the other inside the ring. One behind the other. Right? If you hear a little tink, it's a ring hitting a window. Ring up and down like that, bit on this side and the west of it. I'll put it back in again just for fun. Looks alright? Okay. Ring up and down there. I know, it spooks me out on a good day. Right through the middle of the ring. You pull on the ring, make sure it's on the rubber band. It's not an optical illusion. It's on there. I blow on the ring. Can you just watch the ring? Wow. Pass that back. That's you. Guys, have an awesome Christmas.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well done.
It's him.
That box is one of their paintings.
It's yours.
Your acts are up to par. I think that's the 12th year of the Edmund.
Thank you.
Hello, good evening guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-anik, pag-update, and hindi rin ako ewan ko ba kung anong anik ko. Hindi na ako outfit check, ganon. So sobrang anik ko. Hindi naman nagmamadali, basta parang bilis ng mga pangyayari kaya hindi na ako nakapag-outfit check. Pero makikita niyo naman dun sa kineme. Anyway, so yun nga, it's nung pag-uwi namin, hindi ko na film. Is naborlog kami dahil at nagising kami is anong oras na? Mag-aalas 6 na ng gabi. Sa sobrang kabusugan, nakaborlog naborlog kami nung hapon. So, mag-ano na kasi kami umuwi Halos 3 hours kami doon. 12 kami doon pumunta kasi Christmas lunch. And then, yung restaurant na yun din yung last year na book. So, yun. All in all, masarap naman siya. Yung foodang 9 out of 10 for me. So, yun. Anyway, so, chikahan, tapos gift giving, tapos opening ng gifts, and then, yun. Ayun nga. Anyway, ano ba yun? Nag-switch ako ng panic. So, yun na nga, naka-borlog, tapos, fast forward, ito na tayo, anong oras na? Nung alas 9 na. Kakatapos ko lang din makipag-usap sa Muji ko back home. So, nakapag-chikahan ako ng kauntian kay Muji kung anong naging Christmas kineme nila sa bahay. So, yun. Okay naman, pero nag-uulan ngayon sa Pilipinas. Ngayong 25, halos maghapon daw nag-uulan. So, yeah. Yun lang, guys. So, this is our 2024 Christmas celebration. Because yun ang nangyari sa buong araw. Tapos, tutulugan na ulit. Anyway, tomorrow, again, ewan ko mag-film ako. Ewan ko kung, I'm not sure kung anong gagawin namin bukas. Kung anong agenda tomorrow. Let's say tomorrow. Anyway, for now, mag-jujugas lang ako ng fest. So, hindi ko pala napakita yung yung regalong nagtanggap ko. Sabagay, pinakita ko lang pala, pero hindi pa yung totally, So, etong, travel essential siya. May conditioner. So, regalo to sa akin nung kapatid niya and then nung asawa niya. Regalo, ayan. So, body lotion. So, basically, siya, travel essential. Mga travel sizes. So, meron din siyang, shampoo. Itatry ko na kagad to bukas. Body cleanser, yan. Yan yung sa kapatid niyang pamilya. Ayan ang regalo. And then, so, ito yung akin. Sa Jusawa ko is voucher naman. Voucher ng sapatos. So, nakita nyo na, napakita ko na rin pala yung yung regalo ng nanay niya. Papakita ko na lang yung sa mga kapatid niya. What else? Sa kapatid niya naman, ang natanggap kong regalo is ito. So, siya, shower steamer. Shower steamer siya. Itatry ko siya pag uwi ko ng Singapore. Kasi parang iano mo lang daw siya sa floor. Tapos, yung shower mo medyo mainit ng konti. Tama ba? Sabi kasi dito is, simply place a shower steamer up on your shower caddy. Ganon. Naintindihan niyo ba? Basta yun, pag na-touch na yung kineme, magi-steam siya. Yung water, yung mag-activate kineme. Anyway, yun. I'll try it sa pag-uwi kang Singapore. Kasi mabango. Amoy pagkain siya. Parang smells familiar. Huh? Mabango siya. Anyway. Yun, at saka ito pa. A dream. So, alam nila na mahilig ako sa mga body essential kineme. Yung mga gamit sa katawan. Alam mo yun? Whether sa ulo, hanggang paa, yan. Yan. Ito, very useful. I love this one. Although lahat naman sila, I love it. So, ito kasi, useful kasi ito. So, hindi mo na kailangan bumili lagi ng pads. Kasi, pwede mo siyang panlinis, parang makeup remover. Pwede rin siyang pang toner, I think. Tingnan mo. Tsaka, malambot kasi siya. Tsaka, alam mo yung may quality talaga yung gift. Yung itong mga gantong product. 4 na peraso. So, yan. I love it. So, yun. At saka, ang ganda. Green. And I love the, yung lalagyan. Plastic. Hindi siya plastic. Cardboard. Na makapal. So, ayan. Maganda siya na. Tapos, meron din kaming voucher sa restaurant. Ito siya. Napakita ko na rin yata ito. So, yon ang aming natanggap na gift this 2024. So, I hope yung gift namin is ma-appreciate din nila. So, yon. Okay. Ayun lang ang ating video for today. Maglilinis lang ako ng fest and then boborlog na naman. I mean, hindi Siyempre, of course, baborlog talaga. I mean, baborlog na ulit. Ewan ko lang kung makakaborlog ako kasi kakagising lang natin galing sa borlog and then baborlog na naman. Anyway, yon. Oh, I hope din pala nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong celebration, sa inyong bahay. So, Christmas is a time for giving. So, and a time for forgiving. So, forgive nyo na lahat ng mga abi sa inyo. Para happy lang tayo every day. So, yon. Bye. That's it for today's video. Babush. Okay?